Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring where energy is lost and why. An accurate baseline lets you target high-impact areas first. Once done, prioritize quick wins like LED retrofits and smart meters to free budget. Make sure to align KPIs, kWh saved, percent renewable mix, peak reduction with financing conditions. You should also lock pilot funding and stakeholder commitments now. Without money and political buy-in, bigger system changes stall. Start with data, targets, and secured resources so execution can proceed. You deploy sensors and smart meters to get continuous, high-resolution insights. This lets you move from reactive fixes to predictive management. Then integrate district heating, EV charging hubs, battery storage, and demand response so loads shift away from peaks. Make sure to use open APIs and edge analytics to reduce latency and protect privacy while scaling. Once those systems talk, optimize with ML-driven schedules and dynamic pricing. These cut waste and smooth demand. Keep iterative pilots running to refine algorithms and control. You finish by operationalizing continuous optimization and governance so gains persist. Once core integrations are stable, run ML tuning, seasonal schedule updates, and monthly KPI reviews to sustain savings. Make sure to harden cybersecurity with identity controls, encryption, segmented networks, and a tested incident response plan. If problems appear, use rollback safe modes and simulated failure drills to protect services. Keep a clear escalation path to vendors and city leadership. That troubleshooting habit prevents small issues from undoing broader energy progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.